rehabilitation with people who have lost many teeth or broken down teeth, and can get your smile and your bite and your chewing all done very quickly and be like you've never had any problem with your teeth before. This will keep you from destroying it with certain habits that may have developed along the way. So it can be done quickly, or it can be done over a period of time, depending on what your condition is, so that we end up with a beautiful and highly healthy, health-promoting bite that will allow you to eat and sleep without exercising with your jaw with extra clenching and grinding. So if you want me to take a look at it, I love to do complicated things. So if you take a look at your situation, and I'll give you my best evaluation.